Hey everybody, it's Scott with Teaching to Lead. How are you? And thanks as always. If you're checking out this video, I really appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in. It's my first time I think I'm doing or recording a video at night, so the backdrop's a little bit different. And if I look tired, it's because I probably am. It's almost bedtime. But anyway, let me jump in. So I have a question for you. Have you ever, before bed or in the morning when you're starting out your day, or before bed at night when you're thinking ahead to the next day, have you ever thought about like what are the two or three very actionable things that I need to get done that day? And not only what are they, but what are the results that I want to get from them? And I'm not talking about like a to-do list. We all have, most of us anyway, have to-do lists, and it could be any number of like 100 different things. But I'm talking about like two or maybe three tops, very specific, like actionable things that I want to do, have to do, and am going to do that day. And what are the results I want? And the reason I'm asking or posing this question is because, I spend a lot of time immersed in reading and learning and thought and writing as I work on my material, and I try to learn and absorb from others. So it's important. I need to do that. And I spend a good amount of time doing it. But I'm not going to make any progress. I'm not going to make the impact that I want to make without action, right? I need to get out there. I need to get in front of people and meetings and go to meetings and events and do the work, get in front of people, provide value, make an impact, share, speak. So that's the stuff that's really my meat, and it's going to help me move forward in life. And something that I'm doing differently now, like a new habit of mine that I didn't really do before and not in my previous life, is asking myself every night or morning, what are the two or three things that I need to get done that are very action oriented and that have a specific result? The stuff like reading and writing and share or learning, I can do that on my own time, and if I need to fiddle with it a little bit or if it's a little gray, that's okay. That's how that stuff's meant to be. But when I go out to meet with somebody, or if I have work to do, or I'm getting in front of a potential client, or I'm doing a talk, or I'm just going to an event to meet people, I have to be very specific and deliberate in what I'm doing. I need to know what I'm going to do there, why I'm there, and what's the result that I want to get from that time spent. I have to be. Otherwise, I'm wasting my time, and I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna provide any value for anybody, and B, I'm not gonna have the progress that I need. Not only that day, but in my career, in my life. And so, I've started this new habit where I'm writing things down, and actually, not every night do I write it down. If I'm really locked in and I know what I need to do that the next day, I'm good. But a lot of times, I'm writing it down, and I'm saying, here's what I'm doing tomorrow that's action in nature, and here's the result I want from it. And I'm finding that it's making a big difference. Actually, it's holding me accountable so that when I have meetings or I go to meet people and I'm going to any kind of a function where I'm out there and it requires that type of work, that I'm just locked in and I know exactly what I want to get out of it. I think back to the days when I had my corporate jobs, and even my last job, it was crazy. It was very busy. And we all like to feel busy, and we think we're always busy. I would get into the office, at 8:30, and I'd be crazy busy till 5:30, 6:30, and I would leave work and I wouldn't even know what the heck I got done. I literally wouldn't know half the time what I even got done that day. And I'm being a little dramatic, but a lot of you know what I'm talking about. I'm like, today was a blur. I was in reactionary mode. I did the best I could. I did as much as I could, but I don't know what the heck I got done half the time. So, granted, my schedule and my life's very different now, but I'm telling you, this habit is really working for me, and I'm sharing this to give you some thought to maybe you want to try it. No matter what job you have, no matter what your career is, whether you work for yourself, you're an entrepreneur, or you're one of 500,000 employees for a big corporation. Think about what are the things that you need to do that day that are very actionable in nature, and what are the results you want. And keep it to like two or three things, very manageable that you can keep in your mind. And those things, I guarantee you, if you're picking the right things, are going to help you move forward. Whatever your goals or objectives are, they're going to help you move forward in life, in your career, in your relationships, all that. I'm already seeing the difference, trust me. So it's kind of a new habit I have, being very thoughtful and deliberate in my action-oriented tasks each day. And I try to keep it to two or three, and I shoot for what are the results that I want to get, and it makes a big difference. So try it out if you want, just a suggestion. And, let me know how you're doing. Drop me a note on Facebook or email me or check out my website. I'd love to get feedback on this. And I'm going to go catch some Z's. So thanks for listening. I really appreciate it. And get some sleep yourself this week. And I hope everybody's having a great one. Thanks for listening. All right.